I'll be your baby, now promise not to let you go. I love you like crazy, now say you'll never let me go. 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 Say you'll never let me go.
It's Tastepink and I'm feeling super tropical today. How do you guys like the flower that I did? You know I'm extra. But this is the K-wig. This is the second unit from my collection in collaboration with Myfirstwig, and I have to say I love the ombre red, but I'm feeling the natural black color so much more. This is perfect for the summertime. It is the perfect length because girl, it's hot out there. It's hot out there. I'm sweating right now, to be honest with you. But this is Myfirstwig's 3rd year anniversary, and when you use the code anniversary, you get up to $30 off your purchase along with a free wig kit. So this unit would be under $200. You can get this wig or you can get my other wig. It's a win for everybody, okay sis? I'm telling you. And I have to tell you guys that on July 12th I'll be taking over Myfirstwig's Instagram. I'll be doing an Instagram live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to talk about these scamming wig companies, how a lot of you guys are getting caught out there. I'm going to give you true tea, and I'm going to also talk about a few of my units and some of the best beginner-friendly tips to purchasing your own wig so that it's easy and you don't run into any fraudulent problems or any issues. So I hope I see you there. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys just how I whipped her together. I did a full video review on this, so I will link that in the description and in the cards section. So let's get into it. I wanted to let you guys know that with your purchase of the K-wig, you receive this personalized note from me, and it features a little unicorn because that's my spirit animal. And though you guys have seen a variation of this unit before, I really wanted your feedback on whether with asymmetrical units you prefer that one side be significantly shorter or just slightly shorter. Like, tell me, do you prefer the video image on the left or on the right? Your feedback is so appreciated, guys. But of course, I like applying my units with the Got to Be Glued Glam Force. It just allows my units to stay put, especially with this smoldering heat. Now I'm doing a little bit of baby hairs just around the area of the parting, and I'm using my spoolie. You guys know I've recently started using this. I'll link it in the description box. It's from Sephora. You can use any spoolie from the drugstore, to be honest. It gives you the same effect. And honestly, you don't have to do baby hairs because this hairline is on point. It's pre-plucked and everything. For the left side, I didn't want it to be too dramatic. You could completely wear this unit how it was out of the box and just do like a little light bump. But I like a little bit more volume, a little bit more texture, like the wavy look, especially during the summertime. Again, this unit is shorter in length. It's not on my shoulders. I don't need the excess length right now. This is where I bring the drama and the volume. I'm doing a tighter curl to get that like spirally curl look. I'll link what flat iron I'm using in the description box, but the diameter of the flat iron matters so much in respect to the length of hair that you have. Now I'm going in with my hot comb, and it just makes the area around the parting and the perimeter hairline look super neat. And now I added a little flower. I will link where I got this from because I know I'm going to get questions. And you can also put a bobby pin right behind the flower just to tame the hair in that area. But of course, I'm not bleaching my lace. I'm not plucking anything. I seriously just used eyeshadow to clean up the part and make it super defined. Make sure you guys check out myfirstwig.com. Use the promo code anniversary to get $30 off along with the free wig kit. And again, let me know your thoughts on how you like to wear your asymmetrical units, and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you all for your support.